So let's look at the PowerTable integration. This is a good example where I'm actually planning, where I am really going down to a kind of an employee compensation plan I want to really do. Now, let's say I have 100,000 employees. Here I have 50,000 employees. You can't plan in your master planning sheet at 50,000. So ideally what you want to do, you want to go plan here. It is immediately integrated into the planning sheet in an aggregated manner. So you will see how it rolls up by the role, basically how it would roll up. Again, these are areas where you need to think through the modeling, you need to think through the implementation strategy. This is where Fabric planning can be as easy as Excel to as complex as pretty much any product edit, but you can implement it very, very quickly. It doesn't matter because everything is driven off of the semantic model. So even this is something like, for example, people who really know our Fabric plan very well can put together with a matter of few hours. Even the PowerTable integration, they can put it together in few hours. That's the level of agility we are bringing to the EPM space. PowerTable is the easiest to do. And for anybody looking at, I want to plan at a inventory at a material level, I want to plan at an employee level, or I want to plan at a customer level, do this in PowerTable and use the PowerTable to planning sheet integration. Now, obviously, you need to think through how they are going to bridge and connect. Now, this is where if you really have kind of a DAX expertise, a lot of them times what happens is they will model that in the semantic model, the bridge tables, and then they can actually do it. Now, the PowerTable really doesn't have any scale limitation. If the underlying Fabric SQL can handle it, the PowerTable, that master table, right? Let's say I have a material table of 1 billion rows. It will handle that, basically. You can't use an F2 capacity and try to do this, obviously, based on the size. So it's directly proportional to your capacity size and the number of cores available for the Fabric SQL. So I just wanted to throw in there, the product itself doesn't really have the limitation. It's just your Fabric capacity size will play a role.